for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, navigation system, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel drive. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.